Hello friends, welcome back to PPC Solutions. My name is Vishanki and today in this video I am going to tell you how to set up your location extension and affiliate location extension step by step. But before that I am going to tell you the basic difference between location extension and affiliate location extension. So let's suppose you are a manufacturer and you sell your product using different retail chains and you want your audience to know the nearby retail store who are selling your product, then you need to use affiliate location extension. But if you want to promote your own business location, then you need to choose location extension. So that's the difference between location extension and affiliate location extension. Now let's see how to set up the location extension. First of all, to use the location extension, your business should be registered with Google My Business. I'm going to log in into Google My Business, and for that make sure you are using the same email address using which you have created your Google Ads account. In the Google, just type google.com/business. Now click on Manage Now. Enter your business name. Click on Next. Choose the category that fits your business best. We need to enter our business category, Internet Marketing Services. Next, do you want to add a location customer can visit like a store or office? Yes. Next, we need to enter the address of our business location. I'm putting a random address. Noida, pin code 201301. State, UP. Click on Next. Now it will give you some already listing business option to show you if any of these are your business registered with the Google. I'm going to choose none of these. Click on Next. Now we need to set up our business location on Google Map. Click on Next. Do you also serve customers outside this location? Yes. If you don't serve outside Noida, then you need to choose No. So I'm going to choose Ghaziabad, Delhi, Gurugram. Click on Next. Now we need to enter our contact number. If you don't have a website, then choose I don't have a website. Okay, it is asking for a valid contact number. Cool. Now, if you don't have a website, choose I don't have a website. If you want to promote your website as well, then you need to enter the URL of your website. So I'm going to choose I don't have a website. Click on Next. So that's it, guys. We are done with the Google My Business registration. Click on Finish. So here you need to enter a contact name. Let's say I'm going to enter my name. And then click on Mail. Google will send you a postcard to share the verification code with you to verify your location. So I'm going to choose verify later because I'm not going to mail the verification code because it's not my address. So once you get the postcard, including the verification code, you can verify your address and your registration on the Google My Business page will be done. Now see how we can use this location into our location extension. Go to the Google Ads, click on Ads and Extension, click on Location Extension. Now find a Google My Business account or link to a Google Business account. I know. So you need to link a Google Business account because you know you have created the one using the same email address. So here it will give you an option of the same email address. I will choose the email address. And continue. So you see it will create a location extension with my address. So guys, this was some old business name and the old address, so it is picking up the same one. So that's why. Now I'm gonna filter out the location extension to show you. Okay, hold on. So you see here my location extension has been created and it's under review. Now let's see how we can create the affiliate location extension. So for affiliate location extension, whether you are a car retailer or general retailers, you need to select your category. First, I'm choosing general retailers. Now select your country, in which country you want your retailers to promote. I'll choose India. Here I get the India. Now one chain in India is Fab India. Okay, so it will give you all the chains in India. That was wrong. So let's say the owner of Big Bazaar want to create a affiliate location extension for all its chains. So you need to select the Big Bazaar. I'm going to deselect Fab India and done. So this is how we create an affiliate location extension. This error is because we cannot use both location extension and affiliate location extension in the same account. Yes, exactly. Whether you can use the affiliate location extension or location extension. So I'm gonna cancel it. So guys, this is how we create the location extension and affiliate location extension. If you still have any doubt, please feel free to comment. I will help you setting up in both. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and like the video, share it with your friends and give your feedback. Thank you so much for watching. Bye now.